Welcome back to my channel. So today what I'm doing is I'm opening up my goodie bag from Miss Universe New Zealand. I'm Miss Universe New Zealand 2016 and I recently just went to New Zealand to judge the Miss Universe New Zealand 2018. So that was a huge experience, being on the other side, being able to see how we get judged and the things that the judges are looking at, and how important the entrepreneur challenge and the interview that the girls have with us. There's so much importance on the interview. You need to nail that interview. You need to nail any interview you have in any sort of pageant, because that is when you're in front of the judges and that's when they get to know you. So, all in all, if you want me to do another video on pageant advice or whatever, make sure that you put a comment below, and I'm going to be opening up my goodie bag. So these are I'm definitely going to use this bag everywhere. So this is going to reflect extremely when my ring light hits it. So I don't want to blind you. Be ready, be ready, be ready. So this is the goodie bag itself. It's so twinkly, so colourful. Good choice. I know who chose this. Thanks, Loha. So I'm opening up and I'm just gonna start pulling things out. So first of all, the swimsuit calendar. Every year Miss Universe New Zealand does a swimsuit calendar. I have one as well with me in it. I have a calendar. So this is for this year's one. So this was really important when it came to judging, because it gave us a reference of which girl was who, and also how they photograph. So I'm just going to flick through and show you a few things. So this is a page of the retreat and their journey, and then if we just look through all the beautiful, fabulous contestants, so fabulous. Oh, these bikinis, I'm so jealous. Next thing I'm going to pull out of the bag. Oh, this is Nigel, correct me if I'm wrong. This is a pure skincare Rosa Essentials Rejuvenating Oil made with the heart in New Zealand. I love New Zealand products because I know that they're going to be high quality, and maybe I'm a little patriotic. I love New Zealand. I also love the Philippines, hence why I'm here. Fruit oil. Ooh, I can't wait to try this. So massage 2 to 3 drops into clean skin on face and neck. Let's open it up as well. Ooh, like the packaging. So this is the packet or the bottle. Very pretty. And let's just have a look at the, oh wow, it squeezes up. Ah yes, okay, this is perfect, absolutely perfect. I love these. So you push the little button at the top and it squeezes it out. No, there we go. So then you push the button to pump it, and then if you want it, pull it out. Oils are great because we strip our skin of so many oils every day when we wash it, and your skin actually produces those oils for a reason. It's to protect it, it's to keep it waterproof, it's to keep it moist, and so you don't get like dry skin. So when we strip our skin every day from showering or from face washing, we actually need to put oil back in. Ooh. So here we have another Nigel product, and this is a moisturizing cream. So Rosa Intensive Moisturizing Cream made with heart of New Zealand. I really want to smell this. Does that sound odd? I don't know, I feel like with any sort of creams and stuff, the first thing I do is I do like a sniff test. If it smells like funky or funny, like too many perfumes, I will avoid. Let's just have a little smell and a little look at the packaging. Oh, very sophisticated packaging. So very similar, like a frosted jar and like a little bit of a frosted lid. A little protective cover. Yes. That smells so good. Anyways, okay, next thing. This one. Oh, exfoliating mask. I love masks. I've done a few mask videos because I don't know, something relaxing about putting a mask on. So this is the Cell Reverse Age Reversal Skincare System Balancing Enzymes Exfoliating Mask. and it's for oily combination skin. Fresh, impeccable clear skin with coconut milk, rice powder, white clay, green clay, pineapple powder, and tea tree. Wow, I had no idea you could get a pineapple powder. So this treatment comes in a powder form. Simply add a small amount of water to create a creamy paste. Gently rub into the skin for 1 to 2 minutes and leave on the skin for 5 to 10 before removing with a cotton pad or a heated towel. Oh, I'm definitely doing a video for this. You're gonna see this in a video. And for the best results, make this mask up just prior to use, as the water activates the pineapple enzymes, which are the most potent, directly after water is applied. You are definitely going to see a video on this. Yeah, I can't wait. Yeah, I can't wait to try this. Okay, next thing. So I'm super uber. This has come in its own little package. So it's a package within a package. Ator. So Ator, from my understanding, they are skincare, and I've already said a few times that I love skincare, so I'm definitely gonna like what's in here. Let's open it up. I'm so happy right now. There are a few things in here, so I'm just gonna quickly show this to you without dropping everything out of the box. So there is a whole lot of goodies in here, and I'm just gonna go through each of them and show you and have a look at them myself. So let's go for this longish box. So this is a flawless skin perfector, intense brightening and plumping treatment. So let's have a look at that. It's a huge box, and it's also made in New Zealand. Yes! Yes! Okay. Oh, okay, so this is Rosewater Glow Mist. So let's have a look. I'm gonna open this one up to show you what it looks like. So glow mist, or any sort of mist, are things that help to refreshen your skin, like after a long day, or refreshen your makeup when it gets too dry or cakey, or just like before you go to bed as a toner. Oh, this is cool. Okay. So that's the bottle, and it is a spray bottle. Perfect for misting. I just want to give it a smell. It smells so good. Oh, yes. Definitely gonna make this an everyday sort of thing. So directions: spray on skin before makeup to prepare, hydrate and nourish the skin. Spray on sparingly after makeup to set and help to create a dewy finish. Use any time to hydrate and protect skin from environmental damage. Oh, it looks like we've got a perfume. A Tour Journey perfume. And I'm gonna crack this open because I want to smell it. Okay, cute bottle. And I'm just gonna have a quick little sniff. Oh, this is good. The Youth Preserve Retinol 2.5. Ooh, what's this? Okay, let's have a little quickie looky. So, retinol. Retinol is like really expensive. This product contains a high concentrate of the natural retinol at 2.5%, effectively smooths out wrinkles, refines skin and enhance collagen production, and minimize the effect of sun damage. So it's like a serum, and it's got a little squeezy top. Let's have a look at it. And then there's a sample size of their, looks like their microdermabrasion cream. So if I want to give myself like a mini facial, I've got a sample size here. They're also giving a 20% off discount. I'm just going to hide the discount code. So if I really want the full version of this, I can just go to the website and get 20% off. What's next? Is there stuff? There's more stuff. Last items that are in here have obviously come from retreats. So what Miss Universe New Zealand do every year is that they take their top 20 off into a retreat. This year they went to Thailand, last year we went to Thailand, and my year we went to the Philippines, which is where I am now. So like I've got a scarf, which is very, very pretty. And I've also got this little mystery box. So as you can see, there's some elephants on there. I'm guessing that they got this from Thailand when they went over. And I'm just curious on what's inside. I have a feeling, based on my little guessingness, is that there is boxes inside boxes here. So let's see if I'm right or wrong. Wow. It's soap. Oh my goodness. And it's so detailed. I've shaken this a little bit. Because I was like, what's in here? Okay, so that is what it looks like. Give you a little, and it smells divine. Okay, this looks too pretty to use. That's the end of my video. I'm so excited about the products that are in there. There's so much skincare, it's insane. And like I said, probably this is the third or fourth time I love skincare. I'm gonna try all those products out and I'll probably give reviews later on. If you wanna know how they're going, make sure that you comment below. But thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, follow my pages. So I've got a whole lot of Instagram pages, which will be in the description below, plus a blog, plus my Facebook page. So make sure you check it out, and thanks for watching. See you later.